Have you ever noticed a knocking noise from the front end when you're driving over rough roads or potholes? Yeah. So did this customer. Follow along with us. We're going to show you what it is. It's not necessarily what you think it is. Now every time I go over anything rough, you can hear a knocking noise. I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but usually what it'll be on one side the suspension drops and the other side it doesn't drop. That's typically when you'll hear that noise. Like that. Did you hear that going over that into the parking lot here? Okay, listen here. So it's just a knocking noise in the front end. A lot of folks will assume it's a strut mount or a suspension part. Well, it is a suspension part, but not necessarily what most people's first conclusion is. This parking lot's just rough enough to where it's really good for finding this noise. Hopefully the camera's picking that up. We're gonna come down our street. It's all tore up, so you'll hear it good. Hopefully you heard that. All right, let's put it on the rack. I'm going to show you what I suspect is the problem. Okay, so what I suspect is this sway bar links the sway bar right here to the lower control arm, and the sway bar goes across to this side to this link, and what the noise you're hearing is this right here. It's just wore out. But what's funny is this is a different sway bar link than this sway bar link. This one's already been replaced. That's an aftermarket one. So pretty funny that there'd be two different. You'd always do those together. So, but that's their noise. That's the knocking noise. So a lot of folks will look at or listen to that noise and think it's the, let's see my light, there you go. Think it's the strut making noise. You replace the strut, you're going to be sadly disappointed. But this is the sway bar link. That's what's going to get replaced.